Hi, this is Tech First, T for you. I'm Akawari taking you through today's video. In this video, we're going to use command prompt in two different ways to clean junk files from a Windows PC. Begin by going to search, type cmd or command prompt. Now run it as administrator. This will give it certain privileges. Yes. Okay. For our first command, we're going to delete temporary files from the temporary files directory. Type the following command. F/F EMP. Okay. Asterisk. What does this command mean? DEL stands for delete. Q stands for quiet mode, which basically means the computer is going to do everything silently. It's not going to ask you whether or not to delete certain things. F stands for force delete, which means everything there is going to be forcefully deleted. S stands for subfolders, which means even subfolders in the temporary files directory is going to be deleted. This is the directory where we're going to delete the temporary files and folders, subfolders. And this stands for all. The command is going to target everything within the directory. Okay, hit enter. Right, so the process has deleted a lot of temporary files and folders over here. I executed the command recently. That's why we have a short list here. If you have never executed this command on your computer, you're going to have a very long list. You can try it. For the second method, we are going to open disk cleanup right from here. We're going to use disk cleanup. Type cleanmgr. That's clean manager. Hit enter. Clean manager is open. Now select the drive you want to use the disk cleanup tool in. We're going to do it in the drive C. Click OK. Disk cleanup is trying to calculate the amount of storage I could save after a cleanup. Okay, this is what the cleanup manager looks like. In certain cases, it doesn't just pop up looking like this. It may look like this on your computer. With the option here, clean up system files open, you need to click on this option to allow your computer include more options in the files to delete. All right. I already used that command previously. That's why you cannot see it here. Okay. After selecting it, it's going to add other stuff to the list. Just click on the ones you think you probably don't need anymore. And I tell you, you don't really need any of these ones because most of them are temporary. The computer created them for convenience and they are probably bloated now and just wasting your space. You can even see recycle bin here. So these are the ones I have selected. When you're done selecting, the computer shows you the total amount of disk space you will gain after the cleanup. Click OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Yes, delete them. The cleanup tool has started working. It can take some time before it's done. So yeah, I'm probably going to skip this. This cleanup manager is done now. And if you follow these steps correctly, you may have saved your PC some space. Thank you for being here today. Kindly subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. and click on the notification icon if you want to be notified anytime a new video is released. Also, share this video with your friends to help them clean up their space. You can leave a message in the comment section. Have you tried this and does this work? All right. Thank you.